Evil, can you
Why is Koko
do
way
me a
more important to
favor?
me than food?
Okay.
What a nice
Can
morning.
you do me a favor?
Depends on the favor.
If you get gifted a sub, I want you to do a pipe sound effect for every sub that you get gifted. Can you do that for me?
I just want to find food. A stone axe will be nice for getting wood too.
Yes or no?
There's your pipe sound. And only one.
No. You have to do it for every sub that you're gifted. You've been gifted 15 subs so far. 20.
I'll never stop making puns. You'll see.
You owe chat 17 pipe sound effects.
I think that's 20. I'm really sorry for all the pipes. Actually, I'm not sorry. I love the sound of pipes.
That was beautiful. Oh, 5 more.
I hope I can find some animals to kill for food naturally. Was that sufficient for you, Koko? I'm honestly feeling lightheaded after all that. I try my best.
No, I could listen to pipes all day.
I know, right? It's such an amazing sound.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
Okay, I don't owe you any more now. Can I catch the salmon instead?
Yeah, go ahead. Catch salmon.
I need to eat protein to keep my strength up, so I'm a better fighter.